Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my channel, and I'll be looking now at the cotton market, doing some analysis of what could have been a missed trade and a missed long entry, but I will look at this a bit closer now. Switching to the weekly chart, clearly in a downtrend for quite a while now. We got that trend line that's not really accurate, but it goes a bit higher, goes down, so it's not really a clean trend line, but it gives just the idea that basically the trend is clearly pointing down. But we had an acceleration down to that 47 48 zone, support zone, which is probably the lowest we had since 10 years. So yeah, that's massive level. Even lower, we have a drop at 42, like back in 2009, it was 10 years ago, but basically that price never actually came that low recently. Definitely sell off with the market. The cotton was really correlated to the S&P quite recently, which was the reason I was really cautious entering long even at that level, and even if I actually had the right signal saying that was a buying opportunity. Very obvious on the 4 hours. With that falling wedge here, it was actually pointing to loss of momentum in terms of the selling pressure. You can see the divergence, first touch here, another one there, another one there. This was the third one, basically very clear. And on that level here, because we didn't get the touch on the RSI, was actually waiting for another push to 47 to trying to enter long at that point here. And definitely didn't happen, and the price did actually go back up here, but surprisingly, despite the market selling off on Friday, kept on moving up and breaking above that trend line. So we'll be looking definitely at this, especially if we are too close above 52 on the 4 hours and clear the 50 MA that's been capping the price since quite some time now, but more than a month. That will be definitely a good signal that we are going potentially to at least to retrace some of the move down. Probably 50% would be a good target, even if we have divergence starting here, but we could say that probably going to 60 short term, which is also 200 MA contact somewhere there, seems to be very highly possible. A good trade, because the next support at 47 could have a stop loss somewhere underneath here. For the risk reward ratio is excellent on that trade. I'll be looking at trading this without leverage, because there's no actual ETF with leverage that is actually good. Usually little volume, hard to exit these trades, so I prefer to have something with large volumes and a tighter spread like BA L in the US. That's a non-leveraged ETF that will just require a little bit more cash to actually get into the position, but that's a worthwhile trade that might be actually worth going for. Looking at the quote report, so on that move here, basically just stopping there with the 31st, we still had open interest increasing, so that's pointing to continuation of the down trade, and no signal that the managed money had changed their strategy, and they kept on actually adding short. So that could be a signal that the trend is not over, but in the same time, this is not massive short position either. They can revert that easily should the price actually break higher. So I'll be keeping an eye on this. Definitely a good potential trade, and yes, we'll see how we go. Cheers, see you, bye.